Hello and welcome to another video by Black Bear Dog Trading Forex like a pro, phase 2. So far we've covered the business aspect of becoming or setting up your trading as an actual professional business. I showed you how to get a license, what you need to do, and a checking account as well. Then we already talked about as well as getting a Forex trading brokerage account. I gave you my recommended broker, which is Oanda, but by all means you use whoever you want to, as long as you make sure, which I would say is a critical point, is that you make sure the company that you choose as your broker is at least registered with your country, just in case, God forbid, something goes wrong, you may have a little bit of recourse. Then we're now on number 3, which is withdrawing profits. So now that we're getting to the point of we're being profitable, and again remember, I only trade with the intent to make profits, protect my profits, withdraw my profits, and then do something with my profits that will allow me to live off them, as well as invest them and enrich me in a different way. So that's what I'm going to talk about now. Once I withdraw my monthly profits, and I try to do it only once a month, because unfortunately Oanda charges fees that are pretty a little bit steep, I think. But you know, I'm sure there are brokers around that don't charge any fees or a lot less, but each one has their pros and cons. It's a personal preference. I've been with Oanda for 15 years, and I don't have any desire to change anywhere. So since I most of the time withdraw monthly, I pay the $20 that they charge me, over and done with. So once I get the money, I then apply to the amount a $10, $20, $70 rule, and I apply that to every withdrawal I'll make from my Forex trading account, large or small, it doesn't matter. So what is the 10, 20, 70 rule? Well, usually I withdraw about $10,000 in profits per month, and it gets split up as follows. 10% or $1,000 goes to tithing, 20% or $1,800, 10,000 minus 1,000 leaves 9,000, 20% of 9,000 is 1,800. That goes to investing, and the balance 70% or $7,200, which is 9,000 minus $1,800, is what I live on. It covers my expenses, my bills, my groceries, what have you. So then that's what I do with the money that I withdraw, and I never deviate from that. This is, as far as I'm concerned, set in stone. Does not get modified, not ever. So now that I have 20% investing money, or in this case $1,800, I invested in various places. One is a HISA or HISA, however you pronounce that account, which is an interest-bearing savings account, and the other ones are index funds. Now, I have a little bit of a roundabout HISA account, and I will go in detail into that tomorrow when I show you which investment firm I use and what my accounts are, and how I go about splitting up the 20% or the $1,800 in this case into the different funds that I keep. And I opened intentionally a few days ago a brand new account with them, live account, and the money will be cleared all by tomorrow, so you can see exactly the funds that I use, where the money goes, whether or not I'm making profit. It's very small. They're small amounts. I just started it. Like I said, this is not my actual real account. It is a live account, but it's used for the purposes of educating you in these videos, what I do and how I do it. So I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll share with you exactly where and how I invest. And once that is done and set up, I repeat the process month after month after month, year in and year out. And it has proven to be a very lucrative process to building wealth. So I will see you tomorrow. In the meantime, please stay safe, take care of yourself, and as always, God bless.